It's taped to the box.
Okay. Thank you.
This is the one Daddy got.
So nice.
Now this is the one I got.
Okay, you got candy. So mommy. Oh yeah. Oh, like yours.
Yeah.
Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, wow. Is it same size? Oh, mine is bigger.
Mine was 8. Yours is 10.
This 10? Oh, I never expected this. This is beautiful. Wow.
Once you wear it, it's gonna fit. Once you wear it.
Oh, so matchy. Wow. Thank you, mommy. God bless you.
You're welcome.
Wow. Oh, it's the one that I said you got since October ending, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We've already opened our gift.